100 years ago, as Ireland embraced its newfound independence, most of the country remained without electricity. Then came Thomas McLaughlin, a visionary young Irish Siemens engineer working in Berlin with a bold idea: harness the mighty River Shannon to power the nation. Partnering with the first Irish government, he proposed building the world's first national integrated electricity system. In 1925, this groundbreaking vision became reality. The hydroelectric plant in Ardnacrusha, County Clare, didn't just bring light, it ignited progress, providing jobs for thousands and fueling Ireland's social and economic development. Over the past century, Siemens has been at the heart of Ireland's transformation. We've electrified cities, created renewable energy, connected communities with railways, and revolutionised industries with automation. We've made buildings safer and cities smarter. In healthcare, we've helped doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately, saving lives every day. Now, we're bringing imaging and diagnostics into the digital age. But we're not stopping there. Together with our partners, we're creating digital ecosystems across industries, infrastructure, mobility, and healthcare. We're committed to Ireland's sustainable development, driving digital transformation to meet the needs of a growing population, using fewer natural resources while improving the quality of life for everyone. For 100 years, we've been building the future, transforming the everyday for people all over Ireland. And we're just getting started. Together, we're forging a new era of innovation and excellence. Siemens, transforming the everyday in Ireland.